Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epirock Product Support for the Underground Rock Excavation team. Today on our E1C-DH, I'll be showing you how to calibrate a pressure sensor, and this will apply to any of our RCS underground rigs. So first, go to our menu, go to our user, verify that we are in SE mode. Once we are, we can go to our settings screen. We can go to our rig, our drill, or our boom icon. Go to here, which is our sensor screen, and here we have our air compressor air pressure. So one thing we want to make sure before we zero these sensors out is that the machine is shut off and there's no live pressure in the system. Once that is done, we would just hit the 0 button. It's going to come up and ask you that we want to calibrate it. We calibrate it now. Now our air pressure for our compressor sensor is now calibrated. Do the same sequence for any of our other pressure sensors. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please contact Epirock dealer or a service center.